In the heart of the 20th century, a remarkable archaeological breakthrough was about to be unearthed, one that would revolutionize our understanding of the ancient world. This discovery took place in the enigmatic island of Crete, a land shrouded in myth and mystery. In the summer of 1900, a team of archaeologists, led by the esteemed archaeologist, Sir Arthur Evans, arrived on the island. Their mission: to uncover the mysteries of the Minoan civilization that once thrived there, but had long since faded into the annals of history. The Minoan civilization was known for its advanced architecture, art, and writing system, yet the latter remained a puzzle. The linear script, the Minoan writing system, was yet to be deciphered, leaving historians and archaeologists in a state of bewilderment. As Evans and his team delved deeper into the archaeological sites, they stumbled upon a trove of clay tablets. These tablets, later known as linear B tablets, were inscribed with a new script, unlike anything they had seen before. The discovery of these tablets marked a turning point in the study of Minoan civilization. The script, now known as Linear B, was later deciphered by the British archaeologist Michael Ventris to be a form of ancient Greek, shedding light on the complexities of Minoan society and its interactions with the Mycenaean civilization. The Linear B tablets revealed details about the Minoan economy, political structure, and religious practices. They provided a window into a civilization that had been lost to history, offering insights that would rewrite the narrative of the Bronze Age Aegean. The discovery of the Linear B tablets was a testament to the power of archaeology and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It demonstrated that even the most ancient of civilizations, long buried beneath the sands of time, could still yield secrets waiting to be discovered. Today, the Linear B tablets stand as a testament to the rich history of the Minoan civilization, a civilization that, despite its fall, continues to captivate and inspire historians and archaeologists alike. Its legacy lives on, a testament to the enduring allure of the past and the endless quest for knowledge.